Right, we've got Mrs. Raynham here with us today. We've been through quite a lot of treatment over the last year or so.
Yeah.
We've placed quite a few implants in the top jaw. You've not had a chance to look at your teeth yet. Do you want to tell me how you found everything, how you found the procedure?
Yeah, it was absolutely fine. I was a bit apprehensive at first because, you know, when you hear all sorts of stories and what have you, but pain-free, relatively straightforward and easy, and it was explained all the way through, so I was quite happy.
So we've done pretty much almost all your top teeth.
Yeah.
I'm going to pass you a mirror.
Okay.
I want you to have a look. I haven't looked at them yet, so I just want to see what you think.
Oh, absolutely brilliant. Yeah, the colour is really good, isn't it? Yeah, it goes really matches well as well. Yeah, I'm really happy. Yeah, spot on.
What differences our implants do you think will make to your life?
Oh, the fact unbelievable. I mean, most of my top teeth were slackered, you know, and it's just a worry if when you bite into something, if one of your teeth are going to fall out, or so. Yeah, confidence. Yeah, it'd be
That's fine.
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to others?
Absolutely.
That's great. Thank you.
All right.